like a boss.
All right, this is the second time making this video, man. I'm having a very frustrating day for some reason. I don't know why. I just woke up frustrated. I need to practice more mindfulness, to be quite honest with you, and read more, and walk more, and listen to less things in my ear. But this video was asked by one of my Patreon supporters, and she asked me, how do I get a guy? How do I find out if a guy wants something more? How do you get to that conversation without looking needy, without asking what are we? Because you should never do that to a guy. And this is the solution that I gave her, right? Now, thank you all of my Patreon supporters. You see them right here. Become part of the Patreon gang. To all of my Alexians out there, join the Patreon gang because you guys support the channel. You guys support me to learn, to teach you guys. And it's a great community. I post videos that I don't post here, and I have a book club. So go check it out, okay? Or else I'm closing the channel. So most women, when you guys want to find out if you guys are ready for a relationship, you guys usually say, "What are we?" Or you invite them to a party with your family, which is not a good decision. If you don't know where you stand with a guy, never invite him to do intimate things. Never invite him for fucking Valentine's Day. You could give a guy a gift. But if you do give him a gift, you better be busy for the next 3 motherfucking weeks. It's all about the mixed signals, my nigga, right? So look, this is what I told this lady. She wants to know if he wants a relationship, so that she doesn't waste her time, right? So this is what I told her. For this week, start saying no, start canceling your plans, start saying that you're busy. Give him the excuse that you're busy. Do say that you're busy. Say that you got extra work at school, whatever the fuck it is. The point is that most guys know that's bullshit. Most guys know that could potentially turn into you not seeing him again, because that's what usually happens. That's what women usually do. And then once you do that, then you want to cancel a plan with him, right? You want to cancel a plan. You want to say, I can't hang out today because I'm gonna go get dinner with a friend. My friend is gonna take me out for dinner. It could be a guy. It could be a girl. It could be your cousin. It could be your grandma. It could be Tyrone. It could be Jamal. You never know, ladies and gentlemen, right? The point is that you say no to his date. You let him invite you out, and then you cancel and say you can't hang out, right? And then you're gonna start canceling. You're gonna start not canceling, but saying I can't hang out this week because I'm busy. Then the next week, I can't hang out this week because I'm busy. And you're gonna stop initiating contact. Now, mind you, you guys are not in a relationship yet. He cannot tell you not to see people. He cannot tell you who you're with because you guys are not in a relationship. If he does say that, then you just say, what are we in a relationship? Like that's relationship stuff. You know, do you want to talk about something, right? That's what you do. You want him to complain to you who's the guy you're going out with, right? Or why are you so busy? You just say, I'm busy, dude. I'm busy with work. That if he likes you, you're gonna start noticing. He's gonna start putting more pressure. When I mean pressure, he's gonna start wanting to see you more. He's gonna start even taking you out on dates that he didn't take you out before, right? Because he doesn't want to lose you. That's what happens. If he doesn't like you, you won't hear from him. He'll be fucking some other girl. Or you'll hear from him, he'll want to fuck you, but he'll never bring up being a boyfriend or girlfriend, right? Then you want to say, after he has complained to you, after maybe a few weeks, or maybe after he says, hey, why are you all of a sudden busy? Why are you so distant? What's going on? I'll be honest with you, I've been hanging out with a friend. You know my personal trainer, Tyrone, the big black guy? Yeah, I've been hanging out with him, and you know, we're not in a relationship, but I like him. And so that's why it's not that I like you, I just been hanging out with him because he seems like, you could just say something along the lines of, he seems like he wants a relationship, and I kind of like that, so I'm giving it a shot. I'm not sure yet, but I'm considering it. See what I'm saying? You're not gonna say, oh, he wants a relationship and I want one too. Nah, motherfucker, you guys are being too goddamn direct. You're gonna say, oh, I don't know, he might want something, and I don't know, nobody ever brought it up, so I'm considering it. You see what I'm saying? You just say, I'm considering it. I don't know. And you could just say, I still like you, mixed signals, I still like you, but then next week, you're still busy. That's how you get that talk. Because then you're gonna say, so, what, are you getting jealous or something? Like, are you getting jealous? What's going on? That's kind of cute that you're getting jealous. I like that. You say, I like that. That's cute. You know, so what's going on? If he doesn't bring it up, if he doesn't say, man, you know what, man, I don't like the fact you're talking to him. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, man, I just don't like that. And then you're gonna say, so what do you want to do about that? I mean, what are we? I mean, you could just say, what do you want? I mean, we're just seeing each other. I like you, it's fun, but he wants a relationship. And I like that, that sounds nice, Like, I kind of find that nice. You're not gonna tell him that's what you want with him, but that's how you get that talk. You use their weakness. You're not direct about this, you're indirect. Because if you bring it up yourself, it loses your powers. All right, people, that's my answer for you guys. I hope I was able to help you guys. Yeah, man, and look, man, if you guys are an open-minded individuals, if you guys think for yourself, if you guys are the kind of people that reject the norm, if you guys are the kind of people that accept human nature and that want to learn more about it, check us out on Patreon. Join the Mindful Academy. I call it the Mindful Academy. I call it the Patreon, but it's on my own website. I don't know how many there is, but it's definitely more than I expected. So I thank all of you guys. You guys definitely have supported this channel. I love every single one of you guys, even the freeloaders. Yeah, you. Yeah, motherfucker. Me? Yeah, you freeloader. I love you too. It's okay. You can freeload as much as you want. I am here for you, because I know one day you're gonna be successful and you're not gonna freeload no more, okay? Anyways, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I hope your day goes well. I hope my day goes well too. I gotta start meditating more, people, all right? I gotta start meditating. That's why I haven't taught much about meditation, because I haven't been doing it as much. I don't like to be a hypocrite, all right? So I gotta get back into the practice of meditation, being more mindful, being more relaxed, because for some reason I haven't lately, And there's a better way to live than the way I'm living currently, but that's for a whole nother story. That's more for my therapist. All right, ladies and gentlemen, peace out and have a good day, and don't watch Mark Rosenfeld. All right, ladies, so finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos. All right, so you can just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that. All right, so and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right, no questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're gonna want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right, I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.